Or the beautiful thing of the
Sing
kazoo.
us a song.
Oh, shit.
Is that how it starts?
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. What a fucking tune. Do you know Neil Gaiman's got a book on Nordic mythology coming out?
What the fuck? That's such a random plug.
No. I'm just saying.
This is like a highlight of the 80s that you will not understand.
I'm in Genesis now, but it's not.
Such a good song.
This is me walking to work.
Let's get in there. Let's do some stuff. Oh, I'm ready to
Go to work. Just go to work.
Just doing a
Where are
funky
the
walk.
lyrics?
It's coming up.
This is a lyric-free karaoke
That
version.
can't be right. Here we go.
Okay,
here we go. You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue sky back.
All you do is call me.
I'll be anything you need. You could have a Big Dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer.
What?
Ow! Why don't you call my name? Let me be your sledgehammer.
Who?
This will be my testimony. Yeah!
Show me around
Your fruit cage. Cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name?
Who?
Oh, you better call the sledgehammer. Put your mind at rest. I'm gonna be the sledgehammer. This can be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. Sledgehammer. Oh fuck. Sledgehammer.
There you go.
Kazoo the shit out of the.
Oh, yeah. Thanks to Bruce.
We're gonna be banging all night long
for his donation.
with our sledgehammers.
I've kicked the habit.
Shit. Oh fuck's sake.
Shed my skin.
This is the new stuff.
I go bouncing in.
Oh, won't you show for me? I will show for you.
Disgusting. Please
Show for me. Come on. I will show for you. Come on.
Yeah. I do mean you.
Only you. You've been coming through. Gonna build that power. Build up that power. Hey.
Hold it!
I've been feeling the rhythm, huh?
Huh?
I've been feeling the rhythm.
Huh?
Gonna build that power. Hey. Building in you.
Come on.
Come on. Help me do.
Come on.
Help me do.
Yeah!
Yeah. You have to feel the rhythm. I've been feeling the rhythm. It's what we're doing. All day and night.
All
Come
day
on.